Which indoor field hockey shoes are actually worth your time and money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 options that might just be what you're looking for. Product number 1, Men's Ligra 8 Indoor Shoes. First up, we have the Men's Ligra 8 Indoor Volleyball Shoes from Adidas. Priced at around $70, these shoes really caught my attention with their breathable mesh upper and supportive fit. If you want comfort during those long games, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The mesh upper and synthetic leather overlays provide the breathability you need to keep your feet cool, while the ADITUFF toe protects against foot drag. This means you can focus on your performance without worrying about discomfort or injuries. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 500 reviews, it's clear that players appreciate these features. Now, some people complained about the sizing being a bit off. Here's the thing though, if you check the sizing guide before buying, you should be good to go. Just make sure to try them on if possible. This is perfect for you if you play a lot of indoor sports and need a reliable shoe. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or specialized for just field hockey. For $70, it offers solid value for your investment. Product number 2, Women's Ligra 7 Indoor Court Shoes. Next, let's talk about the Women's Ligra 7 Indoor Court Shoes, also from Adidas, priced at around $53.06. I was really impressed by how lightweight they feel, and the cushioning is just right. If you need a shoe that keeps you comfortable throughout your game, this is definitely worth considering. The breathable upper with synthetic overlays offers the support you need, and the reinforced toe ensures durability. Plus, that cushioned midsole means you won't feel fatigued by the end of your match. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 1,600 reviews, many players are fans of these shoes. However, some reviewers mentioned that they might not provide enough arch support for everyone. Look, if you have specific foot issues, you might want to try them on first. But overall, for casual players, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet effective indoor shoe. Skip this if you need something highly specialized or if you have very high arches. For this price, it delivers great bang for your buck. Product number 3, Women's Ligra 8 Indoor Shoes. Now, if the Women's Ligra 7 caught your eye, you might want to check out the Women's Ligra 8 Indoor Shoes, which are priced at $59.95. The refreshing design and additional support features make them a strong contender. If you value both style and function, give these a serious look. The lightweight cushioning in these shoes really surprised me. It feels like you're walking on clouds. Plus, they have a 4.6-star rating from 251 reviews, which speaks volumes about their popularity. On the downside, some users have mentioned that they can run a bit small. But here's the thing, if you order a half size up, you should be fine. It's a minor inconvenience compared to the comfort they provide. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this if you need something with more aggressive grip or support. Considering the price, they are definitely worth it. Product number 4, GODLARK Indoor Soccer Shoes. Coming up next is the GODLARK Indoor Soccer Shoes, priced at just $26.08. I was honestly surprised by how budget-friendly these are while still offering decent features. If you're on a tight budget, these could be a solid choice for recreational play. With a high-quality leather upper and a breathable design, these shoes are made to keep your feet dry. The AG sole offers great grip and stability, which is essential for indoor games. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 286 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate the value they get for the price. However, a few people mentioned durability issues after extended use. Here's the thing, if you're just playing once a week, they should hold up well. But if you're a frequent player, you might want to look at more durable options. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want something affordable for casual play. Skip this if you play competitively and need something that will last. For $26, it's hard to beat the value. Product number 5, Women's Gel Lethal Field Shoes. Finally, let's check out the Women's Gel Lethal Field Shoes from ASICS, priced at $75.95. The first thing that stood out to me was the sleek design that looks great on and off the field. If you're looking for a well-rounded shoe that blends style with performance, this is worth your time. The shoes feature a gel cushioning system that absorbs shock, which is crucial for those quick lateral movements in field hockey. Plus, they're lightweight, making it easier to stay agile during the game. With a 4.1-star rating from 234 reviews, many users love them for comfort and support. However, some users felt that the sizing can be tricky. Now I get it, sizing issues can be frustrating, but if you check the size chart and maybe order a size up, you should be fine. It's a minor hassle for what you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish shoe with excellent comfort for field hockey. Skip this if you need something specifically designed for more extreme movement or durability. For the price, it's a solid investment. So to wrap it up, we've looked at some solid options today. The Adidas Men's Ligra 8 for comfort, the Women's Ligra 7 for affordability, the stylish Women's Ligra 8 budget-friendly GODLARK indoor shoes, and the sleek ASICS Gel Lethal. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different players. No matter which one you choose, make sure you find what best fits your needs.